And now again, if there's any kind of reaction or anything, we can make that full screen as well. Because remember, different shots mean different things. Right now, we're basically in a wide shot, right? Because we can see everything that's going on. Somebody's face isn't huge on screen. So if something crazy does happen where I laugh or I'm surprised or I'm excited, anytime where that happens, it'd be a good idea to kind of zoom in a little bit. Yes! Okay, so there, when I hit 6 score at the last minute, definitely want to have a reaction there. Same thing, remove attributes. Yes! Last second! Last second, 6 score. That's what I'm talking about. Wall ride 5 bells and we're done. And 6 score. That's 6 score. That's last second, 6. And now I kind of like awkwardly scratch the back of my neck. We don't really need to see that. And so let's kind of do the opposite here. What I'll do is split this clip by selecting it and hitting Control \. And now what I can do is actually copy this kind of zoom and crop and everything from this clip and apply it to this clip. The way that we do that is just by selecting the clip we want to copy stuff from and hitting Control C, just like you'd copy and paste a clip into the timeline. And then select the clip that we want to copy this to, and we can right click and go up to Paste Attributes. That's right above Remove Attributes. We'll select that, and a similar window pops up, zoom, scale, position, and it's actually already set just the way that we want. But if we wanted to copy something else like the rotation or whatever, you could just tick those, but I'll hit apply. And now this clip is back to where it was. Second, 6 score. That's what I'm talking about.